Well, it's the 25th of April already. We're back. We're working on the rear end again, that troublesome rear end. It's not so troublesome anymore, because we're back. Mad Mike's back in town. He's out under the drill. Bosch's best 7mm drill bit. We've got to plug weld this back because the spot welder cannot penetrate the triple layer which we've got, so we go plug weld now. Got the B&M bargain clamps on, $2.99 a clamp. We're through, and yeah, we're through. Just go 2 levels on that one. We'll get on with that. I'll get the welder cranked up now. Let's get that welder cranked up. It's all going to be great stuff. Some ambitious stuff now, getting into that. I take it this Ford's using that primer's weld through, boys.
Yeah, had to be. I'll get something different on that one momentarily.
Sure you're backing it there.
I'll double check in a moment.
Right, should hit them, just make sure.
Yep. Right, I'll get the longer arms to get a better,
yeah, you're gonna need
better fix. Yeah, but I want to get this, tail light hose in, ain't I?
You might need the MIG for that, mate.
No, I can do it. Give us a nice beastie.
The beast of burden. Goggles for sparks, mate. That could catch you out, that spark. Told you. Release clamp.
I'll go with it first.
Just short out on the clamp. You'll hit the clamp. You'll hit the clamp. Looks tidy there, boy. Whoa, I just got it. That's why I got my goggles on.
Ah, you're soft.
No, you got the red eyes last week, not me.
Yeah, but you don't get it from this.
No, I don't mean from the light. I mean,
Oh,
that
no.
sparks can still hit your eyeball.
Got the, yeah, we're happy with the factory look.
Watch out for the concourse, boys. You know the spot welds are in the wrong places. Oh, that wasn't done by the Ford jig. Oh.
I'm going to take the back lights.
Hey, the shadows are watching. Watch out. Dear 69 machine, how dare you insult me?
It's what we call a strong fit.
Run your hand down it, Mikey.
Oh,
That's
yes.
it.
Oh, yes.
Now, isn't that better than the feel of a good woman?
It's there. Look at that. Yep.
Every woman wants to be a Cortina.
Yeah. Everyone between the ages of 44 and 54.
Yeah, that's the demographics.
That's
Yeah.
the demographics, yeah.
We're a dying breed.
Speak for yourself, I'm living forever.
Right, I'm going to do as well. We're not far off a miracle cure.
The nation's #1 killer.
I'll have to...
Death.
Cortinas. I can see the body of the unit's losing some current on the corner.
Ready to leady.
Get my lead kit out, boy.
Come on, look at that.
I think so.
Are you sure?
It looks parallel to me.
Yeah, it looks alright, doesn't it?
Just a bit.
A man on a galloping horse won't see it.
Right, get me GXL green one.
I thought you were going to say the head of Alfredo Garcia.
Hey? Ah, no, not up on footy jokes. Lovely. No, I know. Edge to edge on that, isn't it?
Yeah.
You should be able to use that to get the
line. Yeah, that's correct. What I'm going to do is put a quick spot on that. If I can.
Because that.
Let me just get in with this tool. No, I can't get it from that angle.
What about longer arms?
From above. If I can.
I'll get you an extension lead. That's not going to make it.
It's quite long, this.
Boot down. Hold on, mate. You're losing the current on this.
That should work.
Well, we nearly spot welded the camera then.
Yeah, that's held.
You've got no choice but to follow that line, have you really?
That's correct. That should hold. So now I'm hoping to release that and it not move. Marginal.
Right, that's the grip bit. That's the area that concerned me, was this.
Not concerning me because we've got it now. Don't forget.
No, I mean earlier on when it was sprung out.
No, it's fine that now, isn't it? Fine that, we'll go with that. Let's leave that till we change the arms. And let's have a look at, so release some of the tension, see what happens.
You'll lose it. Yeah, it's closing up.
It has, but not more. Right, can we lose turn?
Yeah, definitely. This is it now. When you get this right, you're on. This is the bits.
Right, so what we need to do is we need to, of course, mount this.
I put one little weld on that just in the corner, just to.
Yeah.
You need the longer arms to get in.
I'm glad you did.
We might want to refer to the green car for this. It could go further up because there's nothing.
But I want to get the long.
So you got that recess into it.
Yeah.
The striker.
Get the long arms.
It sits on the wheel tub though, so I think.
Yeah.
You know, if you put that in place, then the wheel tub's a gap.
Right.
You're knackered.
We're going to need to mock up first.
Yeah. Got to mock it up first. That bit. That's why I just put the one in for now. Just get the wheel tub in and just have a play and see.
I do like the way that that's working.
It's locked into that little bit of spot weld. That.
You're right. But it does line up nicely. So we need to get that rivet out.
Get that rivet out, knock that out, and then get the wheel tub in.
bracket, see something.
Goggles. In and out a few times, but not when the inner quarter was on. The inner lower. Because you've got to get past. This will be fun, this. This will be fun.
Oh, it's why we've not passed at the back end yet, that's why.
Just got to get past that. That's a good old barrier. Mike, just hold on, you're locked. Mike's moonlighting, you see his boss, he'll get in a lot of trouble. He's stolen from the best body shop in town.
Yeah.
He's just come out of Dagenham, actually.
I'm not that old, I'm not that old.
Just come out of Dagenham in a time capsule.
That's nice.
He couldn't have come out of Dagenham anyway, these panel gaps are too straight.
Yeah, this is true. Yeah. In a town car, man.
Big decision in the town court. So that's where I got the easy job again, filming. Can I have a go? Got no credits on this video for the work that's been done. We pay him well and he delivers. Let's go. Just watch you don't blow them light bulbs up.
Yeah. The metal will move. You can see right in the gap the actual panel flexing up and down. So you've got to get really tight and really close.
I know.
Right, I'll let me carry on. Touch more. Right, more filled.
Yeah, I'm very confident in them, those welds. They are proper hitting the target. It's the best application for those B&M bargains, $1.99.
They are. They're really, really good.
That's a lovely weld. That's not bad at all.
Right, some more holes now, and we'll.
That's a lovely weld. I've got to say, I'm very confident about those. They're just right in through it. The power's just set right there.
Like a turd on an ocean. Going nowhere.
Nobody does it better. There you go. Listen to this, a rare Robert Palmer track. You don't often hear this one. Remember it? 87, I think. Could be 86. Great bass line on this one. He was a good artist, like Robert Palmer. Let's have a look. How many you got to go for the full run?
Yeah.
It's not pleasant, mate.
Doesn't matter. Dagenham wasn't built in a day.
How about, right, yeah, how about just do some to hold it and I can fill these gaps. Now what's the music go like? It's not Downbusters.
No, it's not.
It's that England, it's the England one, the one they have at the footy matches. The music.
That's the one.
What are you doing under here, mate?
Yeah. Just let that jack down.
Okay, that's gonna crush you, boy. Use one of these to get you extra height.
Well, we can.
Because there's not enough height without packing up.
We put the two together and then some extra height.
You need one of them in there.
Yeah.
And then the longest one is the last on top. Oh, you could do it that way if you want.
We can try it that way. I'm just worried about the actual.
We got this.
How long is that? Hang on, there's a big piece of ply there, isn't there?
No, Mike, I'd already worked out how to do it. You put these on each dolly, then that on top of them.
No,
like
but if we do that, then you'll only get the dolly on one end and they'll flip. So, can you reach that ply on the front?
Yeah, that's MDF actually.
Well, whatever it is.
I don't want to be pedantic about the plywood.
Yeah.
There's bricks as well. There's bricks and all.
That one to there. Right.
Still too low. We're going to be...
Start me up!
Start me up, Stones.
I'm not sure that I'm happy with that. Can we...
Yeah, what's the weight?
Let's line that down. Cables all.
Handbrake cable. Get your dolly straddling the chassis. Get your dolly straddling the chassis. So the centre of the chassis is on the centre of the dolly.
No. Put it in the centre of the floor.
Oh, not sure about that.
And the wood can do the actual job. Right, Pete, you want to start coming down slowly? And don't forget I'm still under it. I'll just get myself into a more favourable spot.
Just get the dollies docked next to each other, mate. It's skewed at the moment. You want to spin them towards me. They're not parallel with the floor. Looking a bit.
Right, try that.
Shit! It slipped.
I very nearly was.
How are you? It's only just enough to get the jack out. Mike's gone. I've just squashed him. That's what you get with one hand on the. No, Mike. That's two on the edge on your.
Yeah, I need to just pump it up.
That's what I was saying about splitting the dolly.
Yeah, don't worry about it. No, don't worry about that. Just get it up a touch.
I worry about everything when it comes to this car.
No. Right. Come down again.
Yeah, I need to adjust this.
Not quite as quick. You're all right. Go.
It's not going to work here. It's going to capsize.
You're all right. You'll make it. But man, Messiah here, but the mess all right.
Oh yeah, it's Monty Python, isn't it?
First time I've been doing the side. Look.
I know. Just do the.
Let's go downstairs.
Yeah, that's it. I was going to take you to the downstairs walk. You were thinking exactly what I was. Right, we'll just move the car across and...
Yeah, we're getting a little bit more. And we can play a bit then, but that's... it's actually hooked up on this...
a jukebox!
Is it a jukebox or the pinball wizard?
My collection of jukeboxes is getting damaged. Careful with that second dolly, Mike. You've got to push it with your foot, mate. And don't forget, I've got to push this back after.
Yeah, don't worry. We'll have more skill like
Lost the back end. He's lost the back end.
It's not wide open.
Right. To party.
To grind.
That's it, to grind. Hang on, Mike. I need my goggles. Shit, I'm getting out of here then.
You gotta fight.
You're right. To angle grind.
Part it.
To part it. Smoking. Whoop. A little swine, that little bit of brazing that top. Separated 2 or 3 of these now. Ah, that's the one. Where's the plugger that one is? If you don't know where that's joined, it can take you ages to get that. Work your way under there. The hands of the hero. Taking you up close again. This Mike just does the Harlem Shuffle with this piece of panel. Twisting, turning, snapping them spot welds. You've got about 6 at the top.
Yeah, that's true. I was relying on somebody to take it off, you see.
Yeah, I fucked it up. I'd forgotten to remove it. This was my donkey job. All this exciting camera works. I've a bit carried away.
The Church of the Poison Car.
Yeah. Church of the welder poisoning our minds with the fumes.
Yeah.
Cricket's 83 Culture Club.
Jason and the Ogre Shield.
Hey, yay! Watch it, not too far there, just... Do you want me to just drill these out?
No, I don't want to take them off from the top.
Oh, yeah, because you got to factory finish.
In the Church of the Poison Mind.
Is there a church that doesn't poison minds?
Religion per se. Yes, it's the afternoon philosophical debate. Cortinas and the cup of tea and some philosophy.
Afternoon tea with the XL.
High tea, clotted cream scones. I'm going to join you with another pair of pliers, I reckon. Enough for the film and that. Release breakthrough. Yeah. Filmed on a train, the video. The determination on the man's face now as he goes for gold. He's going for gold. No, he's going for bronze.
Going for bronze.
You get it?
Going for silver. Coming second for once.
Braze. Going for braze. Braze, mate. Braze. My jokes never work. The only joke that works for me is this car. Getting it was a joke. No, it's not true. I don't regret anything. Je ne regrette rien, or whatever it is. Oh my, that's... Oh, I can feel the pain there as you're bending up my lovely trim.
We got a new one.
This is irreplaceable. That's not the wing, is it?
Part of the lip, that.
Yes, a much rarer made lip. We're going to fast forward to when this is done because this could take a while. See you in a minute. La 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 la.
Look at it. Slice that and then get the last bit off.
That'll be a classic shot, that. That was very well. Healing hands. The determination on the man's face now.
Is that going to the bottom?
Yeah, I overlipped it at the bottom. Mr. Pamel is back. The healing hands.
The new enhanced hands.
Healing hands. Not quite Edward scissor hands, more. Well, you've really got you fixed on that lip, mate. So you want to get a clamp on that, so you can just leave it. Yeah. Lock on that lip there, lad. That's the one, mate. Now you come a little bit to you.
It's alright, we need to jock it for the person.
Right, okay. You know, we're high up at the top here.
Yeah, we're not worried.
Not much, but this will move yet.
Yeah,
anyway,
but this is in the zone here, you see, so I'm not worried. We know that.
I tell you what, you're not bloody a million miles out there either.
No. It wouldn't be, but we do need to pick out the lift.
All technicians at Autoglass are
Yeah, yeah. Go with that.
It stays strongest for longest. That means you get a lifetime guarantee for as long as you own your car. Plus, if you fully
Fucking Autoglass, fucking wankers Autoglass.
Not a bad play again, but
The hands of the healers.
slight adjustment, but I'm not worried about that. Well, I'll try tracing some sparks here.
Big counter. Why didn't they just rust-proof the cars and we'd have to do all this?
It's everybody, would have.
Nice one. I'm convinced you should have goggles on though. One of them sparks hits you, mate.
Nah, they're not that, it's just they don't jump that much. So let me just...
Hi.
I need to change the arms.
Yeah, you got to get up there now. Yeah, unscrew them, mate.
Just unscrew.
Unscrew them.
Design one sheet. And I think you're ready for the big one. This sheet is so big, but the spring cleaning is plenty.
The nation's #1 killer.
I'll have to
Death.
Cortinas.